Kedomaka. This is what you need to make small talks in Igbo. It's simpler than you think. Once you say Kedomaka, which is how is, what about, what of, you can go ahead to add any of these items to it. Kedomaka is inologi. How is your family? Kedomaka oru. How is work? Kedomaka plus name of a person if you want to inquire about someone specifically. And you can ask people Kedomaka plus family relations. Kedomaka Neki, Kedomaka Nwagi, Kedomaka, right? If they are in school, you could ask them Kedomaka Akwo, how is education, how is studies going? We also ask people about their health. Kedomaka Ahoge, especially if we know of a health condition or health situation they are having or they've had recently. Kedomaka, okay, how is your health? Or maybe generally if they are much older people, like a mother, a grandmother, Kedomaka, okay, how is your health? If someone were to ask you any of these questions, how would you respond? A simple response to any of these questions would be Odema or the ma. Kedu maka ọrụ ọ dị mma? Kedu maka akwụkwọ ọ dị mma? Kedu maka ahụ gị ọ dị mma? Kedu maka nne gị? Kedu maka nwa gị? Kedu maka any of your family relations ọ dị mma? People can even say kedu maka Chima, kedu maka Prince, kedu maka plus name of a person. It will still be ọ dị mma because ọ dị mma can mean it is fine, he is fine, she is fine. Or in Igbo means he, she, it. So when we say ọ dị mma, we are saying he is fine, she is fine, it is fine. Now, what if they are asking you for plural things? Kedomaka nena nage or kedomaka umoge, how are your kids? We would say ha demma, ha demma. Just on the side note, small talk is not small in Igbo. We don't just say good morning and walk away. When we say good morning, we would ask about all these things or one or two of them. So learn how to say this, learn how to respond, and stop freezing when someone asks you this. Like and follow me if you learned anything. I'll see you in the next class.